cooking?
One thing only, baby. Red Duck Char. Backyard barbecuing. All you need is a grill, a little charcoal, and most of all, you need that fire. You know, I'm not an expert on anything, but I would definitely not put my hand in here. That is hot. Folks, I've got a DUCKCHAR Moulard Duck Breast. The finest duck around. Alright, the most important part of any DUCKCHAR meal. You cook it right, but then you gotta hit it with that direct heat. We've scored it. It's pretty much cooked to the perfect temp. Pulled off just a little bit early so we can make this duck fat right here nice and crispy. We're just gonna be flipping it from side to side so it gets a nice even direct heat sear on the skin side and on the meat side. So we're just gonna keep repeating this. I'm gonna hit the meat side, that's what we're doing right now, then I'm gonna hit it on the skin side again. And you'll see those flames come up a little bit. That's what you want. You want that crispy skin finish. You see how that duck fat just lights on fire, and that, my friends, is why DUCKCHAR is cooked on indirect heat. That's how we do it. That is unbelievable. If I could put that in my cereal, I would.